everyone, my name is Madison and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a huge Lush unboxing haul for you all. If you have not seen my first Lush Boxing Day Sale haul, feel free to go check that out after this video. I will have it linked down below if you are interested, but I purchased a lot on the Lush Boxing Day Sale, which, if you did not know, the day after Christmas, all of Lush's leftover holiday items go half price, which is huge. This is a great way to try out new items, maybe get some Christmas scents and whatnot, holiday scents before they're gone, and then of course purchase some staple pieces that you I guess year-round staple pieces that you like in gift sets, which in that last video I showed every single item I purchased was actually a year-round item. None of them were holiday scents at all, just from purchasing gift sets. Again, that's another great way to get some of your staple pieces, some of your favorite year-round scents, half price, is purchasing them through gift sets on Lush's Boxing Day Sale. Now, at the time I'm filming this video, there are a few things left on the 50% off section of Lush's website if you are interested. I haven't actually looked to see what all is up there, but I have my order open and a little tab to click on the 50% off is still on the website. So let's just jump into it. So I have a few items, or quite a few items in this box here, as well as two massive gift sets. So let's go ahead and get started. I haven't opened any of the gift sets yet, nor have I smelled anything except for one item. So without further ado, the first item we have here, which is the only thing I have smelled or really taken a look at, is the Lush Snow Fairy candle. This is the 14.9 ounce candle. You know, I smelled this in person. It smells just like the Snow Fairy scent, which I absolutely love. However, there are not very good reviews on this online. You know, I'm sure I'll get some use out of it. A lot of folks in the reviews were saying that there really isn't much of a scent that it gives off. The not melted phase, I suppose, gives off a stronger scent than it does while it's actually burning, which is interesting. Regardless, it's cute. I love the big candle. There are 4 wicks in there, as y'all can see, and I'm a big candle gal, so I'm very excited for this. I also love the Snow Fairy scent, so we'll see how I like that. It does advertise a 35 to 40 hour burn time, so pretty darn long. Next up, I picked up 2 of Lush's solid body washes. We have Yognog Delight and then Snow Fairy Delight. I have not opened these. They feel like almost squishy through the packaging, and I can't tell if they genuinely are squishy or if it's just the thick packaging. Lush used to have solid body washes a few years ago that I never got my hands on, but whoa, it really is like a marshmallow. It is very, very squishy. This is strange. Oh, okay. It does advertise this. Our latest innovation, a marshmallow textured body wash with skin softening ingredients and the most loved holiday scent, Snow Fairy. Interesting. I'm not quite sure how you use this if it is so marshmallowy. I suppose in the photo they're just rubbing the entire block around on their body, which I'm excited to try this out, so that should be fun. I was definitely not expecting that. If you have never purchased from the Boxing Day Sale, it is like a madhouse. Things go in minutes. It starts at 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Like I said, things are gone within minutes. So I placed a few orders just to get my hands on the big gift sets I really wanted. These are the items that typically go first. And then I did place a second order, just kind of randomly selecting singular items I was excited to try. So I did not read the description on these items, as you can obviously tell. We also have the Yognog Delight body wash. This I think is the only Yognog item I purchased, except for what might be in this massive gift set right here. I used to be such a fan of the Yognog scent, and I just haven't gravitated towards it in previous years. So good. I'm very excited about this. This looks like a little bit of a bigger slice because it is the end of the brick, which they tend to give you a little bit extra through the curvature there. Oh, this smells so good. I'm very excited. Very, very excited for this. Moving on, we have 3 full-size shower gels. Again, I have not smelled any of these. I have been needing some new shower gel lately and figured I would just try a few. The first one we have here is Elf Shake, which is this nice vibrant green color. I purchased this in the 250 milliliter bottle, so sort of their mid-range bottle. It says, a tropical and refreshing body cleanser made with fresh grape, kiwi, apple juice, and a hint of mint. That smells, oh. Ooh. It smells good. It sort of reminds me of like some sort of medicine, but I bet like lathered up in the shower, this is gonna smell great. Okay. I'll take it. It almost gives me bubblegum vibes. If you have smelled this, let me know what you think, but it sort of gives bubblegum. Snow Fairy to me gives more like sweet candy, sugar, cotton candy than bubblegum. This gives bubblegum. That'll be fun. We also have Hottie Toddy, also in the 250 milliliter size. As y'all can see, it is this dark, rich red color with flecks of glitter in there. It says, raise your spirits and warm up with a spicy trio of cinnamon, ginger, and clove. Whoa. That is very cinnamony. I like it. It's just a lot more in my face than I thought it would be. Okay, I'm excited to try this one out as well. And then we also have the Mango Shower Gel. This is in the 500 milliliter bottle, so twice the size of these. It just says, light up the night with this marvelous mango body cleanser. Ooh, that smells good. Very, very mango forward. So, very excited to try this one out as well. Moving on, we have 2 of the Refresh gift sets. This one here did not do so well in the mailing. I probably need to open that soon. In fact, let's open that one right now. I mentioned this in my last video, but I have been absolutely loving the Dirty Spring Wash shower gel lately, and this has 2 of them in it, so I went ahead, purchased 2 of them because they were half price, and I was like, it's basically me paying for one normally, and I'm just getting twice as much. So this is a gift set with 3 items in it. I also talked about this last time, but I love the Lush wrapping paper. It is such high quality, and typically you can take it apart pretty darn well to be able to use it again. However, because this is wrecked and gushy and wet, I'm not using it again. It has completely been leaked on from probably a shower gel, unfortunately. Most of Lush's gift sets come in little white boxes like these. Also normally great to reuse when they don't look like this. But these are, again, great boxes to throw gifts in. Oh my gosh, this is so wet. Yep, it was our shower gel. Okay, we're off to a great start. All of these little gift sets come with packing peanuts in them that are actually made of cornstarch. So they dissolve in water, which is really nice. I love to just throw these in the sink, throw some water over them, rinse them down the garbage disposal, and they disappear relatively quickly. Alrighty, the first item I see in here is the Bohemian soap, which is very covered in packing peanuts and shower gel right now. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing. It sort of reminds me of Baked Alaska, this really nice citrusy scent. It says, keep things simple with this classic soap made with lemon oil to tone skin. Yep. Nice and citrusy, super refreshing. I love the cut of that. Just these nice yellow and cream colors in there. Very excited to use this. I absolutely love Lush's bar soaps. I was kind of surprised this didn't come wrapped in plastic. In some ways I'm glad, because using less plastic, but at the same time, this is very, very covered in a shower gel. But nevertheless, I'm gonna get great use out of that. We've also got a 2.4 ounce container of the Ocean Salt Face and Body Scrub, which is this guy right here. This is an absolute Lush staple body scrub. This guy has been around for so long. Now, I was under the impression that I had never purchased one of these before, but I said that in my last video, and that night I hopped in the shower and lo and behold, there's a big tub of this in there that I had actually used quite a bit. This is vodka infused. It smells a lot more like the ocean. You definitely get a lot of that sea type scent to it. This is a lot thicker than the Rub shower scrub, which scent wise is my favorite shower scrub, but this one I feel like is just a little bit more effective because it is quite a bit thicker than the Rub. Regardless, it's hard to go wrong with either. They are both great scrubs if you are looking for a gift or for something for yourself. The main event of the whole reason I purchased this, which is leaking absolutely everywhere, is our Dirty Spring Wash Shower Gel, which is about half full. Oh my gosh, that is actually ridiculous. I'm actually kind of mad about that. It is literally half full. It leaked so bad. This smells great. My boyfriend thinks it smells like mouthwash, but I love it. So refreshing, so brightening, great for the morning. Just says freshen up with this tingly minty gel. I love this, and I'm very angry. You can literally see half of that is gone. Like I said, I purchased 2 of these, so we have one nice and clean one, just because I like the item so much. Moving on, I have 2 massive gift sets to show you, and the first one here, I was so excited to get my hands on. This is the main reason I purchased that first order so quickly, and this is the 12 Days of Christmas gift set. So this is sort of Lush's 12 Days of Christmas advent calendar. So a 12-day calendar essentially that comes with 5 bath bombs, 2 bubble bars, a lip scrub, 2 shower gels, and then a shower jelly and a soap. I am so excited for this. I'm not going to open it, but I'll show you or tell you about everything inside just because I did this with my last video that probably had half as much stuff, and that video before I edited it was over an hour long. So the online description says, we packed 11 limited edition holiday treats and 1 year-round surprise into this reusable festive hat box. So with regards to everything inside, we have the Sweet Pudding Bath Bomb, the 3.3 ounce shower gel of Snow Fairy, the Snow Bear soap, the Salted Caramel Lip Scrub, the Party Popper Bubble Bar, which I'm so excited about, the Magical Santa Bath Bomb, the Gift Horse Bath Bomb, the Elf Shake Shower Gel in 3.3 fluid ounces, so the miniature version of this. We have the Candy Cane Reusable Bubble Bar, the Butter Bear Bath Bomb, the Bouncing Santa Shower Jelly, and then Toby's Magic Cow Bath Bomb. I'm very excited about all of these goodies. I'm not going to open it up like I said right now, but I have used most of the items in here, and I'm very excited to have more. I have been taking baths probably 5 days a week right now, which is crazy, but I am loving it, so I'm very excited to have more bath bombs. And then moving on, we have the Dreamland gift set, which y'all, I was beyond shocked to see this on the 50% off sale. This box has 9 items in it, and only one of them is holiday themed. Because it is called the Dreamland set, most everything in here is scented around the sleepy theme. So the nice, gentle lavender scent that we've all come to know and love. In here we have the Twilight Bath Bomb, the Twilight Body Spray, the Sleepy Bear Bath Bomb, the Sleepy Body Lotion, Sleepy Shower Gel, Sleepy Bubble Bar, Butter Bear Bath Bomb, Blackberry Bath Bomb, and the Unicorn Horn Bubble Bar. So a ton of my favorites in here that I'm so excited to use and have in this gift set. It's also great because these are year-round scents, I can take them out and give them as gifts. I prefer to give gifts of year-round scents. That way, if somebody enjoys it, they can go and purchase that scent and that item any time of the year, and they're not waiting for the holidays. So I'm very excited about this. Again, if you all are interested, I will do my best to link things down below, and like I said, they do still have some items on their 50% off sale if you're interested in checking them out. But thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you all next time. Peace out. Bye.